We don't know where the other is.
He's in the basement, and this is the tour of Parker's house. TV, Blake, Parker's brother, bathroom, somebody's in
The
there.
fun stuff's over there.
Cake, I don't know.
You're not gonna believe what's over there.
My food.
Tying the blankets together.
Oh my God.
This is the living room.
Oh,
Another TV. Couch, that's where we sit. PS4.
Nintendo Switch
Oh
chargers.
my gosh. Nintendo Switch chargers. PS5 controllers. Okay, Blake's chair.
Oh,
I'm
this is where I
Parker's
keep
mom's
all my
room, where
stuff.
all of his games
Guys,
are.
I play SpongeBob, and you're never gonna believe what I have. I'm only prestiged 1. And I have a very good.
Downstairs we go.
Guys, later we're gonna make a PS5 video, and I am a pro.
Connor Oler, are you down here? Oh, is Connor down here? Oh my
He's
God.
up here. He's up here.
Here is Savvy and whoever that is on the trampoline. What the heck? This, dude, why do you look like? Why is your shirt tucked in?
Wait.
Dinosaur.
Guys, like a little playroom.
This is the. What the? Dude, that man just threw that ball at me. Ping pong table. That's Parker's dad's cards. He owns in card shop. Through here,
Guys, right here.
bathroom, storage area. I never go back there. Yeah,
Oh, and here makes it. The other stuff in here.
I know.
The
Treadmill.
and this thing for like
Treadmill.
working out. This thing for.
He's falling.
Oh, John's room. John's room.
Oh yeah, John's room.
John's room. He doesn't live here, but it's the guest room.
The guest room.
Down my
Upstairs, boys, upstairs. Hold on. After this video.
Guys, we have so much.
We already have 9 subscribers.
Yes, guys.
Make
goal is
you get the 30th subscribe. But we'd love for you guys to support. Blake's room, very messy.
No, we have
Bathroom.
another thing in Blake's room.
Parker's room.
My Bray Wyatt lantern.
His
I'm a
fish.
Big, look in here. My
His stuff.
My Bray Wyatt.
Our secret room.
No, Mason, look, there's still one more thing in Blake's
His
room.
bunk bed. Hold on, we'll get back to that.
This is my Bray Wyatt lantern. I'm a big fan of him.
Yeah, is this favorite wrestler?
Wait, can I show them my costume?
No, not yet. Blake's room. What do you want to show in here?
Underwear!
Okay. Another Papa Shot. His mom's room. And then Savvy's room. That is the tour of the house.
The Wii.
Oh yeah, and the Wii.
3-point.
And that is the tour of the house. Stay tuned. We're gonna have another.
Sisters.
We already did. I showed her. This is going to be our next video.